Hello, if you wish to eject the SIM tray on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, but you don't have the eject tool that allows you to remove the SIM tray from the phone, then the best thing that you can use in order to eject the SIM tray is, for example, a paper clip, which has pretty much similar size to the eject tool that is included inside the box. So we can use a small or medium-sized paper clip in order to put it into the hole. And ideally you want to unfold one straight side to make it stick out, and then use it to insert into that hole. You can also use similar objects such as safety pin, as long as it is pretty solid and it doesn't break easily, so that you don't accidentally leave a part of that object inside the hole. It should work, as long as it is tiny as this hole and not easily to destroy or to break. It should be decent to use. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!